Aloha, my friends. This is Billy Wiggly from my favorite beach in the whole world, Polihala Beach, in the beautiful garden island of Kauai, Hawaii. It's 14 miles of beautiful white sand, culminating at the beginning of the Napali Coast, the world famous Napali Coast. Moments like this, scenery like this, I like to save in my memory, and I also like to save in photos. Just like my work in Excel, I like to save it. And any of the office applications, I like to save my work. The way that I do it, I use a keyboard shortcut, F12. When you press F12, it launches what I call the old school save as dialog box. Check out your options. You can save as a different file type and many more options. Just go ahead and click on everything. Remember, F12 to launch your save as dialog box and save your work. Don't get mad, get skills. Aloha.